So we've come down to one of these Type 2 to Type 2 chargers to show you one of the new cables that's been sent to me by a new brand called DePow. Now, DePow is a newcomer and basically sent us a Type 2 to Type 2 charging cable. So 22 kilowatts is the rating for the cable and it's a 5 meter length. They also have them in other lengths and sizes as well. So check out the link in the description that we put for this. That will help you see all the range of what they have. But one of the things I really liked with this charging cable when the guys reached out is actually the way it comes packaged. So on the back, what you'll notice is that there's a little bit of a rubberized material. So if you were placing it on your boot as you're opening things up to plug it in or charge or putting it on your back window, it's not going to slip and slide while you're trying to actually pull it all out. So that's one thing that's really nice with it. The second part is as you open it, you get a cloth here to wipe down the area where you're going to place it, just so you're not like scratching the surface. So just some small little things of some really thoughtful design for the actual brand. And then the actual cable itself comes with a little storage handle and these accessories to actually store it. So for a charging cable that is rated for Australian conditions and use and standards, but also the cable itself is actually really well made, feels premium and high quality compared to the other Type 2 cable that I've used in previous videos that was more expensive and also feels quite premium in terms of the use. They've packaged it really well for a cable that is under $200. So let that sink in again. It's under $200 for this cable, which is one of the highest output cables. Handle, like I said, just makes it easier to store. If you're putting it in a garage, for example, and you're not keeping it in your car, you could even have it up on a hook, up on the wall, makes it super simple. Now to undo the clasp, it's going to be really simple. So just undo that, undo this strap here, and undo this strap here. And as long as you don't drop it like I did, you can uncoil it. And to charge, you'd come up to one of these chargers, plug this into the back here, and then come through to this side where you just unplug this and you would plug it into the port there on your car. So Type 2 to Type 2 cables, now they are for AC charging, or if you have a home charger that doesn't have a built-in cable, that's a perfect use for these. Now, I frequently go to different conventions or exhibition centers where they offer free charging for cars that have a Type 2 to Type 2 cable, but the cable is BYO. So you need to always have it in there to take full advantage of free charging while you're already paying for the parking. So when we were reviewing the Fiat 500, some of you may have seen a video that I made where we were talking about the free charging at Gold Coast Convention Centre, for example. So we got in there with 50 Ks till empty, and we left with a full charge thanks to free Type 2 to Type 2 charging. This one here charges at 22 kilowatt hour speeds. You have some that will charge at slower speeds depending on where you are. A lot of shopping centres now offer them, as well as Coles, Woolworths and other destination chargers as well. Some of the hospitals, hospital workers get free charging as well, provided they bring their own cable. So plenty of places where it makes 100% sense to have your own Type 2 to Type 2 cable, and the guys at DePow have made it super easy for you to have it, store it and bring it. So we'll have it in the comment section, and once again, the one that I would definitely recommend for price and also for the overall storage convenience with the little accessories as well. Any questions, ask in the comment section. We will be reviewing their home charging solutions as well. We're just waiting for one of those to get sent out to us. So leave your questions in the comment section. Until next time, thank you for watching.